Welcome back to the crew. We're gonna do a simple video. We're gonna do some fried breakfast pork chop, and I'm not gonna do much talking because the house is busy, so I'm gonna play a little music over it. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Also like the videos and comment on the videos and hit the bell, and make sure you turn on your post notifications to all. And we also have two other channels, Alicia Southern Crew and Mississippi Southern Crew. So if you're not subscribed to those two channels, please go over and subscribe to those and tell her honey bun sent y'all over. And here go the breakfast pork chop. And we're just gonna use some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, honey garlic, and Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. So we're gonna season it with those seasonings, flour them, then put them in the deep fryer at 350 degrees.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really
Okay, crew, here's the finished look. We had crescent rolls, we had hash browns, and we had center cut breakfast pork chops. Everything was amazing. The food was good. The flavors was on point. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and comment on the videos. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.